Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can build a display for your animal ornaments in Heartopia. So this is just 4x1, and I've placed the wooden wall storage here and colored that green. So I placed 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 16. So basically, you're just going to place 16 of them here. Then we're going to want to bring this up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're just going to place it like this. Don't worry, we're just going to delete some parts later, but we need to do this first. All right, next we are going to remove the part that is kind of like here, so we can see the actual ornaments, but don't remove this one. Actually, I might remove that one for the pillars later on. I don't know. But we're just going to add some pillars here. You can add whichever pillar you want to add. I'm just going to choose the thin wooden pillar. I'm just placing it all around like so. And here in the back as well. Here and here. Alright, and then I'm also going to get some floorings just to cover this up on the top here. Like so. Place it all around like this. You can also change the color of the background, but I'm not going to. Get the XL puzzle, I think. I only have this one that's nature themed, so that's what I'm going to add. And then we're also going to add some bushes on the floor. So we're going to get the topiary bush. We're just going to place it here. And just kind of make it like messy. Like that. And then here is where you can add the ornaments. So go to decorates, I don't know. You can also add some plants here as well, just to make it more of like a nature vibe, I guess. And then here you're just going to place your ornaments. And I'll be right back. I'm just going to decorate a little bit. You can also add like a lamp here on the ceiling, so I'll be right back. And here is the finished result. You can add more decoration to it or whatever, but that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys, and if you find this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!